Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making a Korean beef bowl. The other day I was on Reddit and somebody mentioned Korean beef, so let's make Korean beef. I've never had it before. This recipe comes from damndelicious.net. So I'm starting with 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I'm tossing in 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. I'm just going to let it sit there. Stop judging me, brown sugar. Then I'm going to throw in 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Just toss it right in with no care in the world. Then on top of that, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Recipe says low sodium. This is gluten free. I don't have low sodium. And now we're just going to whisk it all together. Lightly, because this whisk isn't very good. These plastic whisks are never any good. Once it seems like the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to just cut up a bunch of green onions. It says use 3. Mine were getting kind of toward the end, so I'm only using the bases. You can use the whole freaking green onion, go nuts, but mine were looking a little long in the tooth in the fridge. You could mince this, but I'm going to press 3 cloves of garlic. Remember, kids, I like to press my garlic because it's scientifically proven to be more garlic per garlic. Okay, I've got some vegetable oil. This is probably more than I need. I've got my garlic. I'm just going to toast my garlic in my oil. Okay, so this is going to start smelling aromatic in like 20 seconds. You're going to want to cook it a little bit longer than that. Garlic up that oil. Okay, that's about a minute. Tossing in my beef. And now we're just browning beef. And now we're just browning beef. If I were doing this while not hosting a cooking show, I probably would have made the rice side by side. Okay, we're going to go ahead and drain our fat as best we can. Try not to pour it all over the counter. Try to avoid the deadly bacon grease incident. That'll be good enough. Mix it around to spread some of that fat back around. Now we're going to go ahead and throw in our soy sauce mixture, which was not mixed well enough and still has brown sugar in the sides. It'll be okay. Everything is all right. Everything is fine. Nobody panic. And our green onions. Probably should have saved some to garnish with, but you know what? No. And we're just going to toss our beef. We want everybody coated, everybody simmering. I think these were supposed to go in with the soy sauce, but I'm just going to throw a bunch of sesame seeds in on top of that. It's way more than the recipe calls for, but I really like sesame seeds, y'all. Once everybody's all heated through and simmered, we are good to serve. And look at that. Not bad for 15 minutes in the kitchen. Let's see how it is though. Just a little bit. Don't want to ruin my picture for the gram. Good. Okay. Like, subscribe, click the little bell, leave a comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.